today I'm going to tell you how you can run your PC or your laptop faster. For this, write run in the search bar and open it. So type percentage temp and hit OK. These are the files that are taking space of your disk. Now select all these files and delete them. Continue. The files that are not creating, you can skip them. Now the excessive cache or files are deleted. It will also help the system to run faster. Now again type run. Now type prefetch. Hit OK. You can continue. Also delete these files. These are the cache that are taking space in your drive and slows down your system. Now search here disk cleanup. Open this and select the drive you want to clean up. Click OK. Now you can see with the help of the disk cleanup I can free up to 7.98 GB of disk on my C drive. Select the files here you want to delete. Now click on OK and click on delete file. Cleaning the unnecessary files on your machine or system will help you to run your system fast. Now after doing these 3 simple steps, restart your computer and check the processing speed of your system. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more updates.